Welcome to the High5.com demo. What you're seeing is the homepage for a non-registered user. On this side here, we'd have a switch video that would explain the features and functionality of High5.com, which the concept is 5 daily high blood pressure management recommendations. So every day for these 5 categories, a user would receive recommendations for how to manage their high blood pressure. For example, here we have join a Facebook group, consult an expert, try a low salt recipe, avoid an exercise, the easy one, and try a lifestyle change. All of the recommendations would come from a database that could be gathered via scraping web content or submissions from potential customers as well. For this data would be localized, so where you're coming from. You could also, if you're on vacation, edit your location so that you could get recommendations that are specific for your particular location. The registered users has these main categories. So today you can see what your recommendations are. You can go in and actually select your recommendation. And when you've committed to a recommendation, the community can see that you've committed. They can add comments and like what you've done, and you can see what you've committed to here. You could also get a comparison of who else is committed to this, friends, people in your state, community members in the US, and the world as a whole. In your journal, you can see over time how you've committed to the recommendations, so you can see your recommendations here. But in addition to that, there's other information that the user could add, their daily activity. This type of data could be connected with other websites like Fitbit, Health Vault, Google Health, those types of things. The user could have a Bluetooth blood pressure cuff and enter in their daily blood pressure information, or have that automatically entered for them. They could track their medications, they could track their meal intake, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. This information will be determined by their medical info tab area, what they want to track on a daily basis. The Your Friends area is a way for them to see their community, not only their community of friends, but also their community of clinicians as well. When they pick a friend, they can see the details for that friend. The friend can determine how much information they want to share. This friend will allow you to go back in time to see each day what they've committed to, see what the comments have been. You can see a comparison on the badge level, a compliance badge and contribution badge, how you compare to this particular friend. You can see what people have liked or commented about this particular friend, and then you could actually this friend allows you to drill into their journal, their link book, which are links that they've gathered from High5 recommendations, and what things they've commented or liked. You can also, with your friends, view a visualization, so you can see by compliance and non-compliance how you compare to this friend over an 11-day period. You could select this period of time. You could also turn off and filter aspects that you want to look at compliance-wise and non-compliance-wise as well. Areas that are not completed are your badges. So like I mentioned, an area for compliance, commitment to those recommendations over time, and contribution, adding likes or comments to friends in the community. The thought here is that as your grade increases for your badges, you could get discounts to things like fitness centers, health clubs, fitness stores, restaurants, health food stores, medical insurance, that type of thing. So create those relationships with local businesses. Medical info is also an area that's not developed yet. This would be an area that you could determine what you want to track that would feed into your daily journal form. This information could be sent to your clinician, or you could provide access to your clinician to see this information, feed into an electronic medical record, etc. And then your link book, like I mentioned, the link of recommendations. That's it. Thank you.